So today is Monday. Alrighty, so on Tuesday, and that's all for Wednesday night skincare routine. It's time for the Thursday skincare routine. So it is Friday. Time for the Saturday skincare routine. Hey my kitty cats, I'm your host Manvi, and today I will be sharing my Monday skincare routine. In this video, I will be sharing my Monday to Sunday skincare routine, my weekly skincare routine. So today is Monday and I will start with my vitamin C day skincare routine. And then in the night time, we will do my retinoid skincare routine. And my skincare routine differ a little bit. That's why I'm doing this weekly skincare routine so that you get the whole idea, whole insights. Because I saw some confusion. You were asking me, when do you include all of these skincare products in your skincare routine? So today I will be showing you how to include actives in your skincare routine. So let's begin. So it's Monday today and I will be showing you my Monday skincare routine, and on my Monday I do my usual vitamin C and vitamin E skincare routine. Alrighty, so I will be doing my skincare routine quickly and I will not explain in details because I have already explained in details in this video. The main purpose of this video is to show you how to use these products. So I will be quickly applying all of these skincare products. So first step is always cleaning your skin, and you know how much I love simple face wash. So I wash my face while I'm taking my shower. If you have not seen my shower routine, you can click on this link. Now I'm using the rose water toner just to hydrate my skin. And now I will use the vitamin C, and I'm using the Klairs vitamin C. And now I'm using the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin E, just a tiny bit of it. Do you see that glow? Now don't forget your sunscreen. If you're going outside, I'm using the Dr Sheth sunscreen. Best thing about the sunscreen that it does not leave any white cast. So now I will see you in my night skincare routine in the night time. So see you in a bit. Alright kitties, so it's the night time, and in the night time I follow my retinoid skincare routine. First step is double cleansing, and to remove my makeup and oil-based impurities, I use the Plum Cleansing Balm. This one is so good. I've talked about it and it's my favorite cleansing balm out of all the cleansing balms. And on the days when I'm not wearing any makeup, I just use my face wash, my simple face wash. I also love the Kashmiri Neem and Saffron face wash, but I cannot find it. So I have cleaned my face, washed my face, and now I will start with the toner. And for toner, you can literally use any toner. On the days when I'm not using glycolic acid toner, I use a hydrating toner, and for that I'm using the simple soothing facial toner. This is alcohol free, fragrance free, any colorants free, and very hydrating. Consistency of this toner is like water. You can use cotton to apply it, but I like to use my hands so that I don't waste my skincare, because cotton soaks a lot of skincare. So I just use my hands and apply it all over my face. And if you want more hydration, just apply a little bit more. And next I'm using the new version of Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This serum is so amazing, especially for hydrating your skin, so gentle. They made some ingredient changes, so I am loving this new ANR. Like, look at this glow, it's unreal. I have a full review of ANR, so you can click on this link and watch the full video. It's filled with probiotic ingredients and your vitamin A retinoids. Now it's time for Dr Sheth Rosehip and Retinoid Power Emulsion. If you're already using the ANR in your skincare routine, then pair it with the Retinoid Power Emulsion and boom. Like, this is one of my favorite combos after the vitamin C and vitamin E, and it gives that beautiful glow in the morning. every morning I wake up with beautiful glow after using these two together. And that's all for my retinoid skincare routine. Now I will just use my eye cream if needed, and also a lip oil. If you can find this Cica lip oil, good luck. I use this lip oil. It's very moisturizing and keep my lips moisturized throughout the night. So that's all for my Monday retinoid night skincare routine. Now I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. And on Tuesday, we use the glycolic acid toner. Alrighty, so on Tuesday, I like to do my morning skincare routine with a different moisturizer. Instead of vitamin E mask, I like to use the phytoceramide deep moisturizer. That's how I like to include other ingredients in my skincare routine. I love ceramides as an ingredient. It's like cement which holds the skin cells together. I'm doing my Tuesday skincare routine same as the Monday skincare routine. I will just replace the moisturizer. So I'm just using the rose water toner, vitamin C serum. Do not use a glycolic acid toner with vitamin C serum. It's a big no-no. I've done that and it gave me redness on my whole skin. So I'm using the Earth Rhythm Phytoceramide Moisturizer instead of my Klairs Vitamin E today. This moisturizer is for dry skin type because it's very nourishing. It feels really soft on the skin. Don't forget the sunscreen if you're going outside. I'm not going outside, so I will skip the sunscreen today. And that's all. Now I will see you in the night time and we will do the night skincare routine together. Alright kitty cats, so let's do the glycolic acid toner night skincare routine. And the first step in my skincare routine is of course cleaning my skin, which is same throughout the week. I use this cleansing balm and the face wash. Now my next step will be a glycolic acid toner because on Tuesday I use a glycolic acid toner. I use glycolic acid toner twice a week. So I'm using the Dr Sheth Gulab and Glycolic toner. It gives a little tingling sensation. That's okay. Toners like Pixie Glow Tonic and Dr Sheth Gulab and Glycolic toner are like exfoliating toners. It has glycolic acid, so it removes the dead skin cells, and you should use it only twice a week. And Kama Ayurveda Rose Water toner and the Simper toner are like hydrating toner. You can use it in the daytime and the nighttime both, and you can use it every day. But your glycolic acid toner, you can use it in the nighttime and only twice a week so that you don't over exfoliate. I've used the glycolic acid toner and now I will use the Dr Sheth Cica and Ceramide serum. You can use any serum which is very moisturizing and healing on the skin, and Cica is like soothing and healing ingredient, so I love to use it after my glycolic acid toner. You can also use the hyaluronic acid serum, any soothing serum after your glycolic acid toner, and just apply it. I already have this whole skincare routine in detail, so you can click this link. It will give you more details if you want. Now I'm going to use a facial oil and I'm using the Juicy Chemistry Helichrysum and Rosehip oil. Rosehip is so amazing, especially after glycolic acid toner. It's very healing and soothing, and it also fights hyperpigmentation and acne marks. This yellow color is because of the Helichrysum. This skincare routine is one of my favorite skincare routine in the night time, and I'm using this facial oil before my moisturizer because it is rich in linoleic acid, so it makes it very lightweight into the skin, and I want it to just sink in deep into my skin. That's why I'm using it before my moisturizer. And now I'm going to seal all of it using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. You can use more hydrating moisturizer in the winter time, but I'm using the Neutrogena because it's just my love. I love this moisturizer. Since it's winter time, that's why I'm using more hydrating moisturizer. In the summertime, I like to use the Plum Night Gel moisturizer, which has a little bit of glycolic acid. It is more of exfoliating moisturizer, so in summers that's amazing. It gives you that glow. Anything which has glycolic acid in it is exfoliating. It will remove your dead skin cells, so it can make your skin dry. That's why I like to use Cica, Ceramides, Peptide, Hyaluronic acid with glycolic acid. And that's all for the Tuesday night skincare routine. Now I will see you on Wednesday and we will do the healing skincare routine. Alright kitty cats, so it's Wednesday and today we will do the healing skincare routine. So on Wednesday, I like to give my skin a little bit break from the vitamin C, and today I will be using the green tea toner from Innisfree. It's a hydrating toner, so I'm just taking a little bit of it and applying it on my skin. Now I also have the Innisfree green tea seed serum, but I'm not a fan of that serum, so instead I will use the Purito Buffet Serum, Centella Green Level Buffet Serum, and it has 49% Centella asiatica, which is also known as Cica and which is also known as tiger grass, because tigers rub their wounds to heal themselves, so it is also known as tiger grass. And this serum, my skin just drinks it up. Like, it drinks it up. So soothing, so hydrating and gentle. Cica is like my favorite, my all-time favorite skincare ingredient. If you have rosacea or problematic skin type, you would love this ingredient. Like, it's so healing and soothing on the skin. So now we are done with the serum and it's time for the moisturizer. And for moisturizer, I'm using the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Cream. And this is like a thick cream based moisturizer, but when you apply it on the skin, like, it just melts into my skin. Do you see that? It just melted into my skin. And that's all for my day skincare routine of Wednesday. See you in the nighttime, and I will be using one of my favorite Korean skincare brand in the nighttime. See you. Alright kitty cats, it's the nighttime and I have cleaned my face using the Cosrx face wash. So let's do the healing skincare routine of Wednesday. It's nighttime. For toner, I'm using the simple soothing toner and just a little bit of it. Just hydrate my skin and make it more plump than before. And now it's the time for snail mucin. Okay, so many of you have asked me how to include this mucin in your skincare routine. I like to use it separately in the night time, and I felt that Cosrx skincare products work well together with each other. So I like to use all the Cosrx products in the same skincare routine. You know what I mean? So I'm using the Snail 96 mucin, and it's like a serum. I've like almost finished it. Okay. It's very healing, soothing and hydrating, like super hydrating. Snail mucin is also so great for burns. Like if you have burned your skin somewhere, you can apply this mucin, and it's also very healing and soothing. Now I'm using the Snail 92 all-in-one cream, and this skincare routine is also great for those who have wrinkles or smile lines. As you can see, I have finished this cream. I loved this cream, and my mom, she also loved it. So this is also a great cream for your moms, and it has a weird consistency, but I love this. Like, it is so great. It is a great anti-aging cream, and anybody who's suffering from wrinkles, it will smoothen out your wrinkles. Now I'm also using the Cosrx Rice Sleeping Mask. Use your sleeping mask after your moisturizer and creams. And this is very nourishing. If you are a dry skin type, you would love this, and if you're oily skin type, you can skip on this. So I'm just using tiny bit of it. Rice as an ingredient is also brightening, but I did not see any brightening effect after using it. It's just very nourishing and healing. If you want an anti-wrinkle skincare routine, this is a great skincare routine. And that's all for Wednesday night skincare routine. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday. So see you. We are already halfway throughout the week, and if you're still hanging around with me, you are really serious for your skincare, and I give you claps. Like, amazing. Thank you for sticking out with me, and I will see you on Thursday. Okay, time for the Thursday skincare routine, and I have done my day skincare routine because it's completely same as my Monday skincare routine, my vitamin C and vitamin skincare routine. So I did not want to bore you by doing the same skincare routine which I did on Monday. So we are going to do the night skincare routine today. Alright, so I've double cleansed my face. It's clean, and now I'm going to use the Glycolic acid toner. You can use the same Dr Sheth Gulab and Glycolic toner, but today I'm going to use a Pixie Glow Tonic, which started my love for Glycolic acid toner. It has 5% glycolic acid. So today I'm going to show you how to do a skincare routine using your Pixie Glow Tonic. And apply it on your skin. You can also use the cotton, but you know I love to use my hands. So someone was asking me that do we have to wash the Glycolic acid toner? No, you can leave it overnight on your skin, okay? So the serum that I love to use with Pixie Glow Tonic is the ANR Advanced Night Repair Serum from Estee Lauder. And so many of you commented that I told you not to use the retinoids with your Glycolic acid toner. But the thing is that the retinoids is way down in the ingredient list in ANR, and if it was 5% retinoid, of course I would not ask you to use it with your Glycolic acid toner. So it's completely okay to use the ANR with your Glycolic acid toner. I'm going to apply this serum. So it's very soothing to use after your Glycolic acid toner. See, nothing happened, no redness. I've been doing this skincare routine for a long time to know the difference. So it's alright to use it, okay? And now I'm going to use the moisturizer and finish the skincare routine, and I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge. If you're looking for a fragrance-free moisturizer and if you have extremely sensitive skin type, then you can use this moisturizer. and we are done. You can also use ANR under your eyes and the Moisture Surge under your eyes, and Clinique Moisture Surge is for those people who are oily, acne prone skin type, sensitive skin type. This is amazing for you. So that's all for my Thursday skincare routine. Now I will see you on Friday. Bye bye kitties. Alright kitties, so it is Friday and my day skincare routine is same as my Monday skincare routine, but for moisturizer I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost instead of the Klairs Vitamin E. Okay, FYI, Neutrogena Hydro Boost is my favorite daytime moisturizer. I love how lightweight it is, but also moisturizing and hydrating. Now I'm going to do my night skincare routine because my day skincare routine is same. I have double cleansed my face, and today we will be doing my retinoid skincare routine because I have used the Glycolic acid toner twice a week, and it's time for hydrating toner. And two toners that I love to use in my retinoid skincare routine is the simple toner and the Kama Ayurveda rose water toner. I also have so many other toners, like I have this Earth Rhythm rose water toner, but I'm only mentioning those products which I personally use. I test so many skincare products daily, but I only recommend those skincare products which have shown long-term skincare results and are best of the best. So that's why I'm going to use the Kama Ayurveda rose water toner on my skin. It's my favorite rose water toner. I'm doing my retinoid skincare routine, but I'm taking it on a higher level by adding some peptides, Ezylene into it. So let's keep watching. That's why I'm showing you this skincare routine. Otherwise, I wouldn't repeat it. Now I'm using the Estee Lauder ANR. Massage it. You can use a roller to massage it into your skin, your serums, your facial oils. And now I'm going to apply the retinoid moisturizer. Gently massage it into my skin. And now it's time for the peptide cream, and I'm using the Midnight Blue Calming Cream from Klairs. I love the ingredients of this cream, and I have talked about this in details on my channel in this video, so you can watch it. Peptides are also anti-aging. I love using retinoids and peptides in my skincare routine because it also increases the collagen production, which makes your skin look more young and youthful. So just massage it into the skin, and we are done with the night skincare routine with the calming cream. And it's also very soothing for those people who have a redness on their skin. And that's all for my Friday night skincare routine, and I will see you on Saturday on the last day of my weekly skincare routine, because I've already posted my Sunday skincare routine. If you have not seen it, you can click this link in this video. I'm using the chemical peel and the skincare after using a chemical peel, so it's on my Sunday skincare routine. Now I will see you on Saturday. Okay, bye. Alright kitties, now it's time for the Saturday skincare routine, last day of the weekly skincare routine. And I have done my day skincare routine same as my Monday, like using the vitamin C serum and the vitamin E mask. Now for my night skincare routine, I have like lazy skincare routine for Saturday, and that's like using only 2 creams, and it works same as my retinoid skincare routine. First, I'm just going to hydrate my skin, and I'm using the simple toner. You can do this skincare routine when you are lazy and especially cold, like in winters. So on those days when I feel lazy, I do this skincare routine, and it's as effective as my other skincare routines, okay, but using only 2 creams. So I'm using the Dr Sheth Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask, and this sleeping mask is my favorite sleeping mask out of all the sleeping masks that I have in my shelf. It has hyaluronic acid, it also has ceramides, it also has haldi. Do you see this stuff? It's almost empty, and I'm going to repurchase it. That's how you know that you love a skincare product, like you repurchase it. So I'm just going to apply it on my skin, and it gives everything like plumpness, glowy look, and also that hydration because it has hyaluronic acid. So it's like an all-rounder. Apply a generous amount of the sleeping mask and massage it into my skin. And that's all. You can go to sleep, but you know I love to layer my sleeping mask, so I will use one more cream with this, and it's the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. And I love the combination of these two, Dr Sheth Haldi and Hyaluronic, and this cream. These two together work amazingly, so I'm going to apply the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Ta-da! And that would be it for my weekly skincare routine and my Saturday night skincare routine. I hope I cleared some of your confusion. If I did, then don't forget to subscribe, because it was a lot to film this video. And now you know how I use all of these skincare products in my weekly skincare routine, and I hope you learned how to layer actives in your skincare routine. And I will see you soon with some other videos. If you have any other video idea, let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to inform you and educate you and help you with this skincare routine. Mwah! Bye kitties.